Okay, hello once again, and greetings from Japan. And it's cherry blossom season here, so we've got some beautiful cherry blossom in the garden. Can't quite see it anyway. So what do we have here? We have another Suzuki Jimny. This is a 2025 March. It's the JC model, and this one is in green. So yeah, we've got black ones, grey ones, and green ones, and it's got literally no miles. I think it had 6 kilometers on it. And this one we haven't put anything on it. We haven't put the mud flaps or the sun visors, the door visors or the spare wheel cover on. We're just leaving this one as is. If you want those things, we can put them on, not a problem. And but for this one we've decided not to do that. On the other ones we have been doing that. So yeah, I mean, what is there to say? It's just the JC model. It's got, if you can look at the specifications, I can't think of them all off my top of my head. Anyway, it's just an immaculate car, and there's not a tiny scratch on it. It's a grade, as in Japan, it's a grade S. So, which basically means just showroom condition. I presume the S stands for showroom. I never thought about it. Anyway, there it is. And take a little look in the back. And see, it's just just stick it. Yeah, stick it on the seat. Thanks, Mike. That's Mike. Just bringing the auction sheet. Anyway, it's kind of pointless in a way making a video because it's just basically showroom condition. It's got that's a keyless entry. There's a key inside. There's not very many green ones compared to the other colors. The more popular colors in Japan tend to be black and gray, predominantly. It's yeah, green's okay. It's a kind of a more traditional color, maybe for four-wheel drive vehicles. And as you would already know, these have ladder chassis. It's basically the only tiny car that does. And yeah, so, and this one, oh yeah, we do have floor mats. The cars come with no floor mats, but yeah, this one does have floor mats, which is kind of nice because you don't really want to have it driving these cars around without floor mats in them. So it's just a basically brand new car. The key is in here somewhere. Oh yeah, there you are. Start it up. You can see the mileage. Okay, there we go. 9 kilometers. Yeah. I think on the auction sheet it was. What was on the auction sheet? You can see the grade there. S for showroom AA, and Reiwa 7. So that's 2025 March. So this will have a 25 plate. And oh, it was 5 kilometers. Midori green, and there you go. Just a spotless car. Sorry, you got the sun, the evening sun coming in, so you get some kind of glare on the video. But yeah, I'm assuming you are aware of everything the car has. And yeah, just a nice little example. of a brand new car. Okay. We have grey ones and black ones and manual ones. If you're looking for something in a different color. And manuals, there's not so many manuals around. In fact, there's very few. So, why you'd want to drive manual these days, I don't know. So there it is, 2025 March Suzuki Jimny, brand new. So if this car interests you, something you're looking for, please do talk to Paul at JAA, Japan Auto Agents, and he can guide you through the process of buying it, and we can ship it to you wherever you are. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.